When I said I hate doing product reviews, I'll tell you why. Now, I've been approached by a handful of people to try their products and do a video. And initially, rookie mistake, I said, hey, great, send it to me and I'll try it. Well, it ain't that simple. They want you to fill out a contract. They want you to tell you what's going to be in the video. They want to tell you how long the video is going to be. They want to give you a very limited amount of product. Or in one case, it was some recording equipment. I'm not going to mention any of these companies because they don't deserve being mentioned. Hey, buy this piece of recording equipment. And then if we like the first video, we'll pay you for half. If we like the second video, we'll pay you for the other half. That's not what the email said that they sent to me. The email they sent said, we love your YouTube channel. I think it would sound better with some better equipment. Would you like us to give you one? And I sent them a long email explaining that what I thought they were saying wasn't what they said. And I called it a bait and switch. And boy, I got a long, very wordy email from them where they thought they're going to prove something to me. My answer was, eh.
Before we even get into the quality of the product, let's talk about the quality of the company. Like I said, really had some weird contacts from companies that wanted to dictate my life because they gave me $20 worth of product. It was comical. All Super Clean wanted to do was give me some product, have me try it, and me give my honest opinion. If for no other reason, I want to do business with a company like that. But hey, let's go ahead and see how well it works.
Hey, why don't we get the Cobra out of the garage so we can clean the garage floor and see how well this Super Clean product works. We've got a few spots in the garage floor having a little bit of trouble with. Those are tire marks there. Tire marks. Tire marks. Hey, you guess, tire mark. So I don't use a whole lot of soap on my floor normally. I really depend on water to get it clean. Sometimes I use some WD on those to try and get them off, but they do seem to come back. So we're gonna try the spray, a hand spray, Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. We're gonna do the floor. All right, let's get to work, clean the garage. Doesn't it look good? Oh, wait, I forgot what this was about. Let's look at the floor. So here's what the floor looks like. It's clean. I just used a little bit of that degreaser. Those tire marks came right off. And now we know a cleaner that works really well. But more importantly, it's a solid company because they don't try and pressure people into do reviews. Thank you, Super Clean. Hey, you're on my shelf.